doing a high five? Who are you doing a high five? Hey, maybe they'll do that one.
Oh, no, Ridley's taking it down. Go, Ridley.
This way? No, we're going this way. Camera's over here. Can you do the same thing? Only turn this way. See how she lets you hold her flipper and you can look at the camera? She likes to do that. That's kind of like we call that a stroll. What? You want to try that? Will you do that with them? All right. Well, we'll see. Let's see if you can do that. Okay.
I'm going to have you guys go ahead and
Girl.
turn this way. And we're going to put up our fingers.
Okay.
Say 1, 2, 3. We're going to ask them.
Okay. Stand up. Yes. Let her just want ladies first.
Oh, okay. Oh, Kayo said she goes this way. That's Kayo just saying Kayo. All right. So, for picture's sake, I'm going to have you on this side. Just so
Tina,
we
can
can
you turn? Now turn and kind of walk that way. Go, Tina. Go, Tina. Tina, you didn't go with her. It's this part. I know. She's just learning how to do this, so it's a little bit